Welcome to Ngorongoro, one of Tanzania's most iconic wildlife sanctuaries, where lions roam a unique and isolated wilderness. In this documentary, we dive deep into the lives of these magnificent predators, exploring their daily struggles, the challenges they face, and the extraordinary ways they've adapted to their environment. Let's embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of the lions of Ngorongoro. Ngorongoro Conservation Area is a breathtaking sanctuary covering over 8,288 square kilometers, with the iconic Ngorongoro crater at its heart. This vast volcanic caldera acts as a natural enclosure, creating a unique ecosystem teeming with life. Inside its steep walls, diverse habitats of woodlands, grasslands, and freshwater lakes provide a perfect refuge for countless species. Herds of zebras, buffalo, and wildebeests roam freely, while elephants and hippos thrive near the wetlands. High above, eagles and vultures circle, ever watchful. The lions here, unlike their Serengeti counterparts, have adapted to the challenges of living in a more confined space. Thanks to year-round water sources, the crater offers a rare, stable ecosystem where animals don't need to migrate. However, even this paradise faces threats from climate change and human encroachment. So, what truly makes Ngorongoro so extraordinary? Is it the abundance of life, the dramatic landscape, or the remarkable way species have adapted? Join us to explore its secrets.